Hey guys, welcome to the 32-meter Azimut Grande. I'm Jenny Wicker and I'm with MarineMax. I'm standing here in the beach club. As you can see, we've got this nice top that's displayed with carbon fiber posts, making it really easy for you to do it yourself. You can take a lounge back here and you can actually access all the way into the garage through here. We had our crew set up our external shower. That's really nice if you guys want to have guests come shower before they get on board after their water activities. Come take a look. We've got a really nice inviting cockpit back here. As you can see, we've got dining for, honestly, 12 people could easily fit back here. You could even put some aft chairs back here to enjoy al fresco dining. We've got some nice entertainment features. We've got a fridge and a freezer back here. Can't miss a game. We could have been watching the Stanley Cup last night. Go Panthers. And we've got our ice maker here and a sink, making it a full wet bar. Up here you can see my favorite part of the boat. This flybridge is, I think it's absolutely incredible. There's a huge bar with 4 bar stools there, so you can see. If you look at the detail on this, look at the teak with the stainless, and the cushions are actually quite comfortable. You've got al fresco dining up here as well. We can fit 10 right here, and a really nice lounge area. We've still got a big exterior grill. Behind the wet bar, we've got a fridge, an ice maker, and a sink, and plenty of room for serving all the drinks you could ever want. We've got a TV because you can't miss out on that again. If you look up, you'll see the shade. This is actually quite a great shade. It measures the wind, and if it gets too strong, it will come in automatically. We've got an opening sunroof that I will gladly show you how it works. All of this is really easy. All the panels are right here, so you can access the shade in the back and the sunroof here. And if you don't love the sun, it's easy enough to shut. Guys, back here, we've got our ice maker and a fridge. You've got your sink right here, and you've got plenty of storage. Flybridge helm for the captain that likes to be outside. We've got, obviously, your bow and stern thrusters, 2 huge Garmin displays. We've got a FLIR remote, a spotlight remote. The exterior designer that designed this beautiful layout was Stefano Regini. The boat's 105 feet long. She has a 24-foot beam and it's 6'2" max draft. This is my second favorite part of the boat. The bow is just amazing, as you can see. The layout is huge. I think you could have 25 of your closest friends and not even have to touch each other. You have reclining backrests here. Anchor storage down here. What's really cool, I'm not going to show you guys this on camera, but you can actually climb down there and get all the way to the front of the wave-piercing bow. Look at the shade you guys have up here. You have max coverage, so everyone can be comfortable everywhere on the boat. Obviously, you can take it down too if you're a sun lover, but it's really nice to know that you do have this. The carbon fibers stow away really easily. They even come with a nice bag, so there's no bouncing around. Hello, come inside, guys. This huge salon was designed by Achille Silvani, did the entire interior. I don't need to talk about this, but you can see the floor to ceiling windows. If you were in the Bahamas, I couldn't even imagine a better view than crystal clear waters. I probably wouldn't be inside, I'd be in the water, but it would be nice knowing that I could. We've got a huge drop-down TV. Over here, we've got storage. Here's some crystal storage or liquor storage, whatever you want to say. Behind here, we've actually got a sub panel, just making it a little bit easier to access the electric. We've got storage. We've got some Minotti sofas for all you furniture lovers. We've got a 10-piece dining table. if you want to eat inside, because it does feel really good on a hot day. And again, expansive windows. We've got dining storage throughout the boat. We've also got electric windows that you should know in every single stateroom on the boat and the whole salon. More storage, there's more storage here, and there's more storage here. This is actually for your electronics. Welcome to the galley, where we've got an electronic sliding door. As you can see, we've got a little buffet station. We've also got a side entry door if you don't want the stews going through your salon. We've got a double fridge and freezer right here, as well as a wine cooler. We've got more storage all throughout the boat. We've got lots of countertop storage. We've got a Miele stovetop, a Miele oven, a Miele microwave, a dishwasher, large sink. That was our sub panel. Back here, we've got a washer and dryer. Moving from the salon forward, you can see there's another side entry door right here. I've got pins in it so we can shut it or lock it. You've got your stairs down to the 4 staterooms, and we've also got an on-deck master. Something to notice is if you look down at the floor, it's a flush deck the whole way. There's no steps, there's no tripping. You can go all the way from the aft deck all the way forward to the master. Behind you, you've got on your starboard side, you've got a day head. Really elegant too. I love that stone. And this is the master room. I call it the magic room because I think it's very magical. It's just beautiful. They did such a good job with this boat. It's so well appointed. You've got floor to ceiling windows on both sides that I could literally stare out for days. Behind the bed, I always like to call this the constellation. I can actually find the Big Dipper. I don't think it was on purpose, but it is really beautiful. You've got your vanity here for someone who wants to do makeup, or you could just use it as a desk. Very simple. There's closet storage here. Got his and her vanities, a separate head and a separate shower with big doors. By the way, on a hot day, this feels so good on your feet. I love the little leather inserts. I could see some perfumes in here looking really cute. We've got storage here, a rainfall shower as well as a wand shower with a seat too. These comfortable barrel swivel chairs are really awesome. I envision myself drinking a coffee in the morning and just looking out at the waters. Oh look, a dolphin just jumped. Got more storage here. We've got switches for your electronic shades. We've got blackouts in all the staterooms as well as beautiful shades. We've got its own fridge just for the master. Each room has its own little electric panel. And then we've got another walk-in closet with a safe and a huge walk-in mirror. Come check this. Hi guys, welcome to the pilot house. We've got a single helm chair, which captains seem to love, although you can still come here and join your favorite captain. This boat has 2,200 horsepower MTUs. She does 27 knots. At 23 knots, which is 70% load, the boat's gonna get 540 nautical mile range. At 12 knots, the boat's gonna get roughly 1,300 miles of range. Triple Garmin 22-inch displays. Bow thrusters, stern thrusters, you've got your Garmin remotes displays, you've got your MTU displays. We have these vessel management systems that you can access everything from lighting to the generators, to the power, to alarms. As you can see, like this is your AC system. And you can access this in the engine room, in the crew quarters, and up here by the helm. Now that you guys have seen where the captain drives, let's take you down and see where he lives while on board. You know what they say, happy crew, happy yacht. Right here we've got a dinette that's comfortable for all the crew to sit here. They can enjoy food or they can even play cards for some downtime. This is your captain's stateroom. All of these, there's 3 staterooms down here. They all have their own separate heads and showers. These are mirroring staterooms, so you're gonna see the same thing. This is a double bunk. Forward of it, you've got your head and a separate shower. Come down below and see where all your happy guests will stay. In the starboard stateroom, we've got a full queen bed, plenty of storage. In all the staterooms, we do have the mirrors with the TVs behind them. This one's behind the door. You'll see it in a second. And they've all got ensuite heads. I love the teak floors. Comfortable closets. This is the portside stateroom. I think it's nice to know that there's 2 twins in here, and there's also a Pullman berth up here. So you could have 3 children in here or 3 adults, however you guys roll. These two aft staterooms are both mirrored as well. As you can see, they both have queen island berths. Really nice to be able to walk around. Lots of room to get around. There's closets that are floor to ceiling. They each have their own little DirecTV box. Plenty of storage on the boat. We've got more storage here, drawer storage. Also, it's nice to know that under each bed there's storage too, so you could put suitcases under there if you wanted to. The bed is quite appealing. Take a look. And this is the mirrored starboard stateroom. Let's go take a look in the engine room. You guys remember the door I talked about from the beach club? Well, it comes back right through here. So you're basically coming in through your lazarette up into your engine room. This is your hydraulic system for the beach club area and the passerelle. This is for your electric cord. This is where you're gonna find a lot of the breakers for the power coming into the boat. This is our side garage that you come and you can see it from the starboard side that opens. I know I'm only 5'4", but there's quite a bit of headroom above me, and I'm standing on the tallest point. So you can fit a jet ski here, and you can fit your tender here. We've also got an aft fuel station here that you can put on your water toys. This is a massive engine room down here, and it actually feels really good. We've got 2 44 kilowatt Kohler generators. We've got an AC converter, so you can travel anywhere in the world. We've got those emission scrubbers that you guys all love. These are our 2200 MTU engines. This boat holds 4,228 gallons of diesel, making it really great for traveling. I hope you guys realize that this boat is a perfect boat for charter with its 5 staterooms and 5 crew. When you get black clouds behind you, it takes 5 minutes to put all these covers on, and look how well it is protected from the elements. I know I'm quite biased, but this really is one of my favorite yachts. I really hope you guys will come see this boat with us at MarineMax. Thanks for coming.